How can you make money using AI tools? Tips and tricks. In recent years, artificial intelligence, or AI, has gained popularity as many businesses use AI tools to enhance their goods and services. AI can benefit businesses in a variety of ways, including automating repetitive jobs, analyzing data, and spotting trends. The possibility of making money utilizing these tools is one of the most interesting things about the AI technology. We'll look at several strategies for using AI to produce money in this video. Making AI applications is one of the simplest methods to earn money with AI tools. Applications for artificial intelligence are computer programs that carry out specific tasks using AI algorithms. There are many different sorts of AI applications, from chatbots to recommendation engines to predictive analytics. Creating AI applications can be a successful business if you have programming and AI knowledge. You must have a thorough understanding of the AI tools and algorithms in order to begin creating AI applications. You should also be knowledgeable with databases, cloud computing, and programming languages like Python or Java. Your AI application can begin by being developed as a proof of concept, after which you can present it to potential users or financiers. Selling AI tools and platforms is another option to generate income utilizing AI tools. Businesses can automate processes, analyze data, and make better decisions with the help of AI tools and platforms. From chatbot platforms to machine learning platforms to natural language processing tools, there are many different kinds of AI tools and platforms out there. You must be well versed in the various categories of AI tools on the market in order to sell AI platforms and tools. Also, you ought to be well aware of your clients' requirements and the issues they are attempting to resolve. You can begin by creating a proof of concept prototype for your AI product or platform before presenting it to potential users or financiers. Offering AI consulting services is another approach to earning money with AI tools. Giving organizations advice and direction on how to leverage AI tools and platforms to enhance their operations is a component of AI consulting services. Anything from choosing the best AI tools, creating AI strategies, and instructing staff on how to use them are all examples of this. You need a solid command of business operations and strategy in addition to a solid understanding of AI tools and platforms in order to provide AI consulting services. To convey complicated AI concepts to non-technical stakeholders, you should also have great communication and presentation abilities. You can begin by compiling a portfolio of AI consulting projects, after which you can introduce yourself to prospective customers. Taking part in AI competitions is another option to earn money with AI tools. AI competitions are events where competitors create AI models and algorithms to address particular issues. These contests frequently award the winners with large monetary rewards. You must possess both programming abilities and a solid understanding of AI techniques and tools in order to compete in AI competitions. Also, you should be able to think creatively and have strong problem-solving abilities. You can begin by taking part in lesser AI competitions to develop your expertise and talents before progressing to bigger and more lucrative tournaments. Investing in AI startups is another option to earn money utilizing AI techniques. Startups in the field of artificial intelligence create cutting-edge AI products to address specific issues. Investing in AI startups can be a high-risk, high-reward proposition, but if you pick the right startup, it can be a successful one. You must be well versed in the AI market and the many AI solutions on the market in order to invest in AI companies. Also, you should be able to assess the potential of a startup and have a solid grasp of business and finance. Start by learning about and assessing the team, technology, and business plans of AI firms that are actively looking for funding. Because there are dangers involved with investing in startups, it's crucial to speak with a financial counselor before making any decisions. Businesses may examine and profit from their data using AI tools, which are a significant resource in themselves. Businesses can find patterns and trends in their data using AI tools, which can then be used to improve business decisions. Additionally, they can utilize this data to create brand new goods and services that cater to consumer demand. You must have a solid understanding of data analysis and AI tools in order to monetize data using AI. To find chances for data monetization, you should also have a solid grasp of business and marketing. But the real money-making potential of AI lies in creating your own AI-powered products or services. The possibilities are endless. So if you want to make some serious cash using AI tools, start by automating your business operations operations and using data analytics to inform your marketing and sales strategies. And if you're feeling ambitious, why not try your hand at creating your own AI-powered product or service? Thanks for tuning in, and please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use AI to boost your business.